Hey there.
Hey!
Welcome to We Made It.
Welcome to a very quick We Made It video. We have spent the day cleaning and baking all the cookies, and we wanted to do a video, but we still have to wrap presents tonight, so we're making a very, very quick one. Okay, so let's explain what we're making and why.
Okay, so the why is because you're afraid of eggs.
I'm not afraid of eggs. I'm afraid of raw eggs.
Okay.
And I'm sure I'm not alone, which is why we're making this, for the lovely people out there.
Sure. And most of the eggnog recipes that you see out there, the good homemade ones, include some raw egg in it. Yes, there's like a custard component that you cook on the stovetop, but also you add in the egg whites then later that are just white.
Freaks me out. Sorry.
She's not cool with it.
And honestly, this might get me some flack. I have never had eggnog. I've never even tasted it. No, it's just not a thing in my family. So I've never even tasted it. So we're making a not eggnog.
It's called a coquito. It is a Puerto Rican drink.
Yes.
And it is in the same sort of vein in that it is a creamy white drink, has similar spices, cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg. But it's not, there's no eggs at all.
So if you have an egg allergy,
this is for you.
There you go. Okay, so we're going to just dump into the blender.
Into the blender.
So we have a can of coconut milk.
An entire can of coconut milk.
And we go.
It's just about a 14 ounce, 13 and a half count?
Almost 14 ounces.
Yep. Just about that.
And a whole can of evaporated milk.
Entire can, 12 ounces of evaporated milk.
To share, obviously.
Oh yeah,
this
can be plenty.
Punch bowl or a pitcher full. Okay, so
we're gonna go with half of this 10-ounce can
you think I can
of sweetened condensed. I believe in you.
Okay.
Can you go with half and just see how you feel about it?
How'd I do?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Is that half? A little bit more.
Little more. If you out there and our viewers can tell us where that came from.
Little less.
We'll be friends with you forever.
It's okay, I guess.
Okay. That's about half.
Sure.
We don't like our stuff super sweet anyway. Oh, and now for the fun part.
12 ounces of rum.
You didn't think this was going to be booze-free, did you?
Of course not.
Silly people.
In goes a lots of rum.
A cup and a half.
Cup and a half.
12 ounces.
Wunderbar.
Okay. Now our vanilla.
We're going to do an entire teaspoon of vanilla. In it goes.
Of vanilla.
Ta-da.
Ooh, yum.
You're doing a great job, hand model.
Thank you, thank you.
We're going to do a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. You doing the nutmeg?
I'm going to do the nutmeg.
That's the quarter teaspoon?
This is a quarter.
Okay.
And I have a quarter teaspoon. I only got a quarter out, so I'm going to... Dog fight. So I'm just going to put 2 scoops
2 quarters.
in because I've got the quarter.
Because math.
Honestly, I like cinnamon, so if it was up to me and I was not doing this for you, I'd probably sneak in a third one.
Go ahead. Do it.
Really?
Oh yeah, I like cinnamon.
Be a rebel.
And we're gonna garnish this with a little cinnamon on top later anyway.
Yes. This is blend it and chill it.
Yep.
So that is it, and I do not know how to use my blender. Why?
You gotta pop the lid. There it goes.
By the way, we're not endorsed at all by Ninja, but if you don't have a good blender,
this is one.
This is a good one, and it's not as expensive as like a Vitamix. All right, so we're not going to blend this on camera because it'll be super loud.
Super noisy.
But that is it.
That's it.
That is blend it. That is chill it.
Blend that up, chill it for 4 to 6 hours, and then just drink it in shot glasses, garnished with a little cinnamon dash of
you'll want
ground cinnamon.
Small glasses for this. This is not probably big on the rocks glasses.
No. You're going to do this in cordial glasses or tall rocks glasses or something like that.
Cool. Well, hey, we'll post some after pictures tomorrow once we get a chance to enjoy this.
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
From our family to yours. And cheers.
Cheers.
Right? I feel a little weird. Like no
drink in hand for the cheers.
Drink.
Feels a little weird.
It does feel a little weird.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.